Alright folks, driving down the road, going to work. Seems like the only time I've had a chance today to make an introduction to this video that's coming up. It's a very special video to me. It was an honor to be a part of this whole deal. So y'all watch the video, y'all let me know what you think about it. And there will be a follow-up video whenever we present this thing. I will have a follow-up video showing all that, and probably a big smile on my face. So thank y'all for being here. Thank you for watching. Thank you for support. Hope y'all enjoy the video. Alright folks, I want to talk about something really special here today. This is a project that has been going on for a little while. It is a collaboration between me and my good friend Brad Cornelius up at Jolly Dan's, my favorite store in the whole world. Y'all know that. But Brad did the part of the stonework on the handles. I customized the knife and made the stand and customized it. But let's talk a little bit about what went into the knife. The knife itself has three stones on it. It has a Moroccan agate, it has a Laguna lace, and it has sodalite. We tried to do it red, white, and blue to go with an American theme, a patriot theme. Same on both sides, but the knife finished out really well. It's a Sodbuster Junior. Beautiful, beautiful knife. Y'all check that out, folks. Just absolutely gorgeous knife. Alright, and before I show you the stand, I want to tell you what this project was for. This is, we have a local festival that we do every year here in Haleville. It's called the 911 Festival. It's where they honor first responders. You know, 911, the very first 911 call was made right here in Haleville, Alabama. So they have that festival every year to celebrate that. But anyway, this year we've got somebody we all like, that's been listening to his music for a long time. His name is Aaron Tippin, and he's coming to perform at the festival. Well, that's what this whole project is for. We're going to present this to him as a special gift. And if anybody knows anything about Aaron Tippin, he is a patriot through and through. So that's what the theme is. Let's take a little look at the stand. The stand itself is solid cedar. This is a slab of cedar. And now this is actually a slab of cedar that I got from Bubba over at Bubba's EDC. He gave me this piece of cedar when we were out in Georgia at the Ellaville Knife Show last year. So Bubba, I'm putting this thing to good use. But on the front of it, we have, of course, American flag, and we got 911 Festival, Haleville, Alabama on it. On the top, I named this knife the American, and so I've got the American on there, and then I've got presented to Aaron Tippin in honor of our first responders. And then of course I've got a sample of each one of the stones and what they're called on here. Now this right here is a piece of driftwood from a local creek that me and Brad pulled out of the creek a while back. So I have clear coated it, and I have attached this flag to it just to give it some accent. And I thought when I first done it, I didn't know, but after everything come together, and man, it'll hit you like a ton of bricks. It's just beautiful. But y'all check out that. That's beautiful. And on the bottom, I got some rubber feet on it. And of course, you got Rugged Cross Knives on it, and it got the Jolly Dan's logo on there. And we're going to put a slip on here, a see-through slip that will attach down here, and we'll put our business cards and put the certificate of authenticities in there. And we're going to do a hard copy of a brief description on what all the stones are and where they came from, which will be pretty cool. But this was just a very special project that we got a chance to do, and I feel like we're going to hit a home run with it. It's awesome. I feel like he's going to love it. I know I love it. I would be honored to get it. And the knife itself is one of a kind. You're never going to find another one like it anywhere. Even if you try to duplicate it, you ain't going to find one just like that one. But anyway, I'm making this video, and now it won't come out until after the festival is over. I don't want to let the cat out of the bag on it, because this is kind of a surprise type thing. So, but when you see this video, I want you to let me know what you think about the whole setup. Tell me if we done good or if we didn't do good. Just give me your thoughts and comments on it. And shortly after this video comes up, there should be another one coming up with us presenting it to Aaron Tippin. I'm going to try to video all that, or have somebody video all of it. But anyway, just wanted to share this with you. And y'all let me know what you think. I really appreciate it. I greatly appreciate everybody that supports the channel. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to it. We're growing and growing and growing. I think we're up to like 4,400 subscribers now, which is awesome. And it's all thanks to y'all. I mean, we wouldn't be anything without you guys, gals. Y'all keep helping me get the channel out there, get Rugged Cross Knives out there. Every time somebody says that Rugged Cross Knives name, that the Rugged Cross, the cross is in their head, and that was the whole point of naming this business that to begin with. So y'all help me share it, help me spread the word and get it out there. Thank y'all so much for everything. Love y'all. God bless.